In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Viber not sending messages. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go through the most common fixes first. So the first fix is to check your internet connection. So Viber messages needs a stable internet connection to work. So try switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data. And also we can go ahead and turn your flight mode or airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then disable that so it's grayed out and retry. Another fix we can try is clearing the app cache. So click and hold down Viber, click onto click into storage and clear the cache there. Do not clear data because that will delete all your call logs, messages and everything inside of the app. Now, once we get back in, then come back to app info and then where it says permissions, go ahead and make sure all these are allowed. So at the moment, I've got no permissions allowed. So go ahead and make sure you got SMS allowed, obviously, and then also phone allow, and just go through and allow all of them one by one. Now, if you're running any VPNs or private DNSs in the background, disable them. Now, if we got battery saver mode, go ahead and disable that. So swipe down a couple of times on your phone. And if battery saver mode is enabled, go ahead and disable that. Now, another fix is to go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Viber, and go ahead and update the application if it needs updating. Now, the last fix is to go ahead and check your date and time settings. So go ahead and click into general management. So I'm just inside the settings, so it's near the bottom of the page here. So general management, date and time, make sure these two are enabled, so automatic date and time and also automatic time zone. So if these are disabled, you're probably going to find there's a few different apps on your phone that won't work properly as well.